Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Hub. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Johnny. Hello, friends.
Hello to everyone watching and listening from all around the world.
No matter where you are right now, at home, on the bus, at work, or maybe just relaxing.
We are really happy you are here with us today, learning English in a simple and natural way.
Yes, thank you for spending your time with us.
Johnny, how is your day going so far?
It's going well. Very normal. I woke up early, I brushed my teeth, I had breakfast, and then I came here.
That sounds very real, very everyday.
What about you, Amelia? How was your morning?
It was calm. I woke up a little tired. I checked my phone. Then I made some tea.
Tea in the morning is always nice.
Yes, it helps me slow down.
Friends, today we are talking about something very simple.
Yes, something you do every day.
Your daily routine.
The things you do from morning to night.
And we will talk about it in easy English.
No pressure, no difficult grammar.
Just real conversation.
If you enjoy learning English like this, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. English Hub.
It really helps the channel, and it helps us make more lessons for you.
All right, let's begin.
Amelia, let's start with the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
6:30? That's early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Same here. Sometimes I press it 2 times.
Me too. Sometimes 3.
After that, I sit on my bed for a minute.
Yes, I do that too. I don't jump up fast.
Then I go to the bathroom.
And you brush your teeth.
Of course. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Friends, these are very common daily routine phrases.
Yes, you can say them every day.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Simple sentences, but very useful.
After the bathroom, what do you do?
I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple. Bread, eggs, or fruit.
I usually have coffee.
Only coffee?
Yes. Sometimes I'm not very hungry in the morning.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
While I drink my coffee, I check my phone.
Ah, that's very real.
I check messages. I check the time.
I try not to stay too long on my phone.
Yes, phones can take a lot of time.
Friends, do you check your phone in the morning?
You can answer in your head.
Or write it in the comments later.
After breakfast, I get ready for work.
You can say, I get dressed.
Yes, I get dressed.
You can say, I choose my clothes.
I put on my shoes.
Very natural English.
Then I leave the house.
Do you walk or do you take a bus?
I take the bus.
On the bus, what do you do?
I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to English.
That's a great habit.
Friends, listening to English every day helps a lot.
Even 10 minutes is good.
When I arrive at work, I say hello to my coworkers.
You can say, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Very simple.
Then the workday starts.
I sit at my desk. I open my computer.
I check emails.
I do my tasks.
Friends, notice how we use the simple present tense.
I wake up. I go. I work.
This tense is perfect for daily routines.
Around lunchtime, I feel hungry.
Me too. Usually around 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Sometimes I eat alone.
Both are okay.
After lunch, I feel a little tired.
Yes, that sleepy feeling.
I drink water or tea.
I stretch a little.
Then we continue working.
In the afternoon, time feels slow.
Yes, but we keep going.
Friends, if you are enjoying this conversation, please like the video.
And subscribe to Mrs. English Hub for more daily English practice.
After work, I go home.
I usually say, I finish work and go home.
Yes, I finish work and go home.
At home, I take off my shoes.
I change my clothes.
I feel relaxed.
In the evening, what do you usually do?
I cook dinner.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Very honest.
After dinner, I clean a little.
I wash the dishes.
Then I rest.
I watch a show or listen to music.
Sometimes I practice English.
That's very good.
Friends, practicing English every day is important.
Even small practice helps.
Before bed, I check my phone again.
Yes, many people do that.
Then I brush my teeth.
And go to bed.
I usually go to bed around 10:30.
I go to bed around 11.
That is our normal day.
Nothing special, but very useful for learning English.
Now let's continue with the day. We are talking about daily routine. This part is about afternoon activities. Listen carefully and follow the conversation.
Okay, Emmilia. Afternoon usually starts after lunch. It is often busy for many people.
Yes, that is true. Jonny, what do you do after lunch?
After lunch, I go back to work. I sit at my desk. I check my emails. Then I start my tasks.
You check your emails. That is very common. Listeners, repeat after Jonny. I check my emails.
Sometimes I have meetings. Sometimes I talk with my coworkers.
Talk with my coworkers. Good phrase. Do you work all afternoon?
Mostly yes. I work until 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. That is the end of your workday.
Yes. At 5 o'clock, I stop working.
What do you do when work ends?
First, I pack my bag. Then I leave the office.
Pack my bag. Leave the office. Very useful expressions.
After that, I walk home.
You walk home again.
Yes, it helps me relax.
That's nice. I like walking too. Emmilia, what about your afternoon? My afternoon is a little different. After lunch, I continue working. I usually work on my computer.
Do you work alone?
Sometimes I work alone. Sometimes I work with my team.
Work with my team. That is good English.
In the afternoon, I also answer messages. I reply to emails. I make phone calls.
You make phone calls.
Yes, sometimes many phone calls.
That can be tiring.
Yes, it can be, but I take short breaks.
Short breaks are important.
During my break, I drink water. Sometimes I drink tea.
Do you eat snacks?
Yes, sometimes. I eat fruit or biscuits.
Fruit is healthy.
Yes, it is.
Listeners, now it is your turn. Think about your afternoon.
What do you do after lunch?
Do you work? Do you study? Or do you rest?
Say your answer out loud. Use simple sentences.
For example, I go back to work. Or I study at home.
Very good.
Emmilia, let's talk about learning English. Do you practice English in the afternoon?
Yes, I do. I practice English every day.
That is great.
In the afternoon, I listen to podcasts, I read simple articles, I write short notes.
Write short notes. That helps a lot.
Yes, even 5 minutes helps.
Listeners, you can do the same. Practice a little every day.
Now let's move to the evening. Evening usually starts after work. Jonny, what time do you get home?
I get home around 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock in the evening.
Yes. When I get home, I feel tired.
What do you do first?
First, I change my clothes. Then I wash my hands.
Change my clothes. Wash my hands.
After that, I relax.
How do you relax?
I sit on the sofa. I watch television. Sometimes I listen to music.
That sounds relaxing. What about you, Emmilia? When I get home, I cook dinner.
You cook dinner.
Yes, I like cooking.
What do you usually cook?
I cook rice, pasta, or soup.
Simple meals are good.
After cooking, I eat dinner.
Do you eat alone?
Sometimes yes, sometimes with family.
Eat with family. That is nice.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
Clean the kitchen. Not everyone likes that.
That's true, but it is necessary.
Listeners, repeat these sentences. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I clean the kitchen.
Good job.
After dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I rest. I check my phone. I reply to messages.
Check my phone. Reply to messages.
Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I read a book.
Do you read every day?
Not every day, but I try.
Reading is good for English.
Yes, even short reading helps.
Listeners, now answer. What do you do in the evening?
Do you watch TV? Do you read? Do you study?
Say one sentence. For example, I watch TV in the evening.
Very good.
Now let's talk about night routine.
Night routine means what you do before sleeping.
Johnny, I will ask you questions. Please answer slowly. Okay, I'm ready.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock at night.
Yes. Before bed, I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. Good habit.
I wash my face. Then I change into pajamas.
Change into pajamas.
After that, I check my phone, but not for long.
That is good. Too much phone is not good.
Yes. Then I turn off the light.
And you sleep?
Yes. I sleep around 10:30.
That is early.
I like sleeping early.
What about you, Emmilia?
What is your night routine?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Before sleeping, I prepare for the next day. I choose my clothes. I check my schedule.
That is very organized.
Then I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Same routine.
Sometimes I read for 10 minutes. Then I sleep.
That sounds peaceful. That is a calm routine.
Yes, it helps me rest well.
Sleep is important for health.
Yes, and for learning English.
Good sleep helps focus.
That is very true.
Listeners, think about your routine.
Simple habits make big changes.
Daily practice makes speaking easier and more natural every single day.
Keep practicing. Now we are in the last part of our conversation. This part is about the full daily routine review. We will speak slowly and clearly. Please listen and repeat when you can.
Yes, this is the final part. Let's put everything together. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Johnny, let's start again with the morning, but this time speak in a full flow.
Okay. In the morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed.
Very good.
Then I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower.
Clear and simple.
After that, I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
Listeners, repeat after Johnny. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Then I leave the house. I go to work.
That is a common morning routine.
Yes, many people do the same thing.
Now let's move to the afternoon again.
In the afternoon, I work. I check my emails. I talk with my coworkers.
Good.
I take short breaks. I drink water.
Simple daily English. Very useful.
At 5 o'clock, I stop working. I pack my bag. I go home.
Listeners, this is real English. This is how people speak every day.
And this is why listening practice is important.
Yes, if this conversation helps you, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. English Hub.
Subscribing helps you practice English every day.
Now let's talk about the evening again.
In the evening, I get home. I feel tired.
That is very common.
I cook dinner. I eat with my family.
I eat dinner too, sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
Then I relax. I watch TV. I listen to music.
Listeners, pause and speak. What do you do in the evening?
Say one sentence. I watch TV, or I read a book.
Very good.
Now let's talk about night routine again.
At night, I slow down. I prepare for sleep.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
I change into pajamas.
I turn off the lights.
Then we sleep.
This is a full daily routine.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
If you can talk about your daily routine, you are improving your English.
Yes, this topic is very important for beginners.
Daily routine English helps in many situations.
You can use it at school, at work, in interviews.
You can talk with friends, you can talk with teachers.
Now let's do a short speaking practice.
Listeners, repeat after Emmilia.
I wake up early.
I go to work.
I eat dinner.
I go to bed at night.
Excellent.
You are doing well.
Remember, English is not magic, it is practice.
Small practice every day is better.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Listening helps your pronunciation.
Speaking helps your confidence.
If you enjoy learning English this way, please like this video now.
And subscribe to Mrs. English Hub.
We make English simple and friendly.
We help you speak step by step.
Before we end, let's remind our listeners of one thing.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
Use simple words.
Talk about your real life.
Your daily routine is a great topic.
Practice it every day.
Morning routine.
Afternoon routine.
Evening routine.
Night routine.
You can practice alone.
Or with a friend.
Or with this podcast.
Thank you for listening to Mrs. English Hub.
We're happy you are here.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And come back tomorrow for more English practice.
Until next time, keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon.